Hello! In this video, I'm showing you how we made this shared office desk. We got a pair of these side tables for 50 bucks at a second-hand shop. These would become the side drawers and legs for the shared office desk. I just painted the whole piece to match the color of the table. I made a separate video on how I flipped these two drawers together. Click the link on the card above to watch this video. We also cut a 2x4 inch plank to make the other side of the desk legs. I painted them in the same color as the drawers. Here are the measurements for the legs and the sides. For the tabletop, we found a 3 feet by 6 feet plywood that's the exact perfect size we wanted, so we didn't even need to get it cut out to size. All I did was sand it smooth and stained it. For the stain, I chose this Nippon Paint Timber finish in the shade of Coconut Oak. Truthfully, when I first stained the wood, I didn't really like the color. I thought I made the wrong choice. It was not the exact shade I imagined, but I thought, what the heck? I didn't want to buy a new can of paint, so I just went with it. Thankfully, I ended up loving the shade. I guess sometimes you just need to trust the choice you make and see the whole thing together. Now that everything has been painted, it's time to assemble the table. So we've brought in the two drawers into the room, and then we tested to see where the legs would go and sit in the room with the table. The longer pieces here you can see are the sides that connects the two ends of the table, and then the little piece connects the two sides for stability. We use L brackets to join each pieces of the plank together. Once all the planks joined up, now it's time to put up the legs. Oops, you can see I missed the spot. Luckily, it's just at the bottom of the tabletop, so it's not that noticeable. It's okay. Finally, the last bit is the exciting part, the final piece, the icing that puts this all together. The tabletop. Woohoo! Obviously, you can see that I love this table so much because I just did my happy dance. Yep, that's me. This whole project cost us probably less than 200 ringgit. Definitely a way cheaper option than buying a huge desk just like this one from the shop. If you have a small budget, then this might inspire you to make your own custom-sized desk for your home office. You just need to invest on your time and energy to make it. But I think it's worth it. Good job! What do you guys think? Do you like it? If you do like it, hit the thumbs up. And if you subscribe for more DIYs, don't forget to click the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!